Yeah, you'd like to get in there, wouldn't you? They already pecked you, made you run away. All over some macaroni and cheese. Yeah, we love our girls. Oh, there comes the rest of them. They're spoiled chickens. Poor Charlie. He'd like to get in there and get some. They're just not going to let him. I wish I could have caught it. When I first set it out, a hen run up, and he was about to get in it, and the hen packed him. You'll be all right, Charlie. Well, poor Charlie. I guess he's getting to lick up the rest of it. Was totally funny. All right now. See? A chicken intimidates a cat. How funny is that? Well, it's pouring buckets. Rain's coming on. I guess old Charlie has a little bit of refuge here with the old Bo. They get along pretty good.